Okay, today I'm going to be making pizza dough. I've got one package or 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to that. And then 1 cup of warm water. Now, I do that. I reorganized my kitchen, so. Alright, so we're just going to let that sit for about 10 minutes. Now, in a larger bowl, we're going to add 2 1/2 cups of flour. There's 1. Two, and a half. We're going to add to this 1 teaspoon of salt. Sometimes I do add a little less salt, but I'm going to just follow the recipe for today. We're going to add, now I need to add 1 egg and 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Technically you're supposed to add it to this. I find if I do add it to the flour right away, it kind of clumps. So I'm going to wait for the 10 minutes and then I'm going to add both of those ingredients to my yeast mix. And then once that's done, I add everything back into the big bowl. I'll show you what it looks like when it's time. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. It's risen quite a bit. In here, I just put my egg and my 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm going to add it right into that mixture. Do a little quick mix. See if I can do this with one hand, shall we? Without spilling everything. So then we take it. Yay, did it. Okay. So then we add it to the flour and the salt. I'm going to whip my finger. Okay. I'm going to stir it all together. Bear with me. I'm just going to put the phone down for a second. Yes, I'm taping with my phone. Just give me one quick sec. Okay, so we're back. Now that everything is mixed together, you just cover it and let rise for an hour or 2. I find an hour is more than a lot. Spread it on 2 greased pizza pans and just top with your favorite toppings. Okay, so I spread the dough out on my 2 pans. I'm going to add my homemade pizza sauce. I've got turkey pepperoni. I'm going to add some hamburgers, some cheese. And that is all it takes though to make pizza dough. It's quick, it's easy, inexpensive, and depending what toppings you add, it can be a very frugal meal to a very expensive meal. So I hope you enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe to my videos if you'd like to see more. Bye!